this from here and here. Don't get this, don't get that. Okay? Stay in focus. Me and Selena's face. Hey guys, welcome back to Flash Custom Transfers. This is not Flash Custom Transfers. Hey guys, welcome back to Straight Outta Content. I am your host today, Chelly with Flash Custom Transfers. Me and Selena are your hosts today, and I have exciting news. This is all for my gal pals. I know we all love sparkly glitter and sequins and shimmer, so this video is for you. This is not, you're gonna have to give me some water because I can hear myself.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead. As you see on our front page of our website, we have downloadable glitter packs and sequence packs. Excuse me. Okay. On the front page of our website, we have downloadable packs for glitter and sequins. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the samples we did print out. This is not sequence, this is DTF. As you can see, it has that realistic high resolution effect of a sequence transfer. So beautiful. This is a rose gold, and our sequin packs are $2.99. Let me grab one of our glitters, and this is our glitter pack.
The camera's not really showing it justice.
How? I'm looking at the camera now. It looks beautiful. Yes.
I'm trying to get it on the light.
Quick sample of our glitters. So this is a rainbow effect glitter, and this is a sun star glitter.
And it's always gonna look a lot better once that film is off.
Yes, yes, yes. So this is an example if you're doing team sports. My son was number 24 in his basketball team. If I wanted to make a cute shirt, 24, with the last name, we can do those in letters, so glitter letters. I do have a video on my website, on my YouTube, showing you how to create the glitter effect with words and numbers in Canva. You do need Canva Pro, but I show you how to set these up and export them correctly for your gang sheet. In today's video, we're gonna be pressing our sequence and glitter transfers and showing you the results on our apparel. So let's go ahead and get straight into that pressing. I'm gonna move this out of the way. We just have a Gildan, what is this? A Gildan soft style regular t-shirt here. Which one are we gonna do first?
Ooh.
We're gonna do a glitter and a sequence today for this channel, and then check out Flash Custom Transfers because we're gonna have that on that channel as well. So you get to pick, since this is your channel, a glitter and a sequence. Which one do you want? Because you're a boy.
I think we'll do, this one's really pretty and girly, so I think you can save this one for your channel.
Okay.
And then,
so
I guess the love is cool.
Oh, for you?
Oh, you can save it, I guess.
Oh, you can do blue boy 24.
No, it's sequence, so it's not a boy. But
no, because it's blue.
24 is cool, and then, no, you know what? Just do this one. Does this one have mix of both?
No, this is all glitter.
Nah, I think I did this. You know what?
You didn't do any of these.
I didn't do these?
No.
Oh, I thought you did glitter and sequence.
No.
Yeah, I guess.
Well, I did one for glitter and then one for sequence.
You know what? Do flash 24. So do flash on the front 24 like a t-shirt, like your flash number 24.
I was gonna do that.
Oh, was you? Oh, okay.
But guys, you heard it here. It was his idea. Let's go. Flash 24.
You're gonna do it on the front or on the back?
Flash on the front. Oh, you want it on both on the back?
No, I don't know.
It's an extra large, so it'll be your shirt if you want to wear it.
I ain't no extra large.
No, I'm gonna do this on the front, and then I'm gonna do mine on the back. Remember, it's our mock-up shirt, a sample shirt.
You're gonna do yours on the back?
Yes, it's a sample shirt. It's not a shirt we wear.
So just do whatever your heart desires, because I don't know what you're doing. Oh, okay.
That's what I'm trying to do. Okay, guys, so...
Excuse me, guys. I'm still getting over a cold. But yeah, this is available, so please download the packs. They're actually being downloaded pretty well, so I appreciate everybody out there. I made some videos, Chelly made some videos, and stop using, do we have any examples or do we sell it all?
What?
Of our old vinyl patterns? Because there's the Christmas pattern that's coming out.
Oh, we've sold them all.
We sold them all? Okay.
I have an example of a glitter shirt. Let me press this real quick. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and press these Flash Custom Transfers. We do have our handy dandy t-shirt ruler. We would find our center here, and we have other videos showing you step-by-step guide on how to use our transfer. So if you need a more in-depth video, please check that video out. We're gonna just kind of go a little fast here.
Did you want to show them this glitter or are you going to show them after?
When I'm done.
Oh, okay. Yeah, guys, so you're no longer having to use vinyl.
Yeah,
You
so I'm gonna
into
go
the
ahead and
store,
find my
You
center.
can just print the same effect.
I'm gonna go a little higher because we're gonna put our 24 on the front.
And you know what's really cool about this that I want people to understand is that even though the effect may be just, you know, it's an illusion because it's DTF, the durability, because everybody knows once you wash real sequence and glitter a couple of times, it becomes, you know, it'll be all clogged in your washing machine and your other clothes will have glitter and stuff like that on them. Like you can't wash this stuff with your husband's clothes. He's gonna be like, or no, you're gonna get mad at your husband like, why you got glitter on your face? And then he's gonna be like, well, you put the glitter in the...
Put the glitter in the washer on the shirt and then you did the thing.
So
You could
just to kind of let them know, you pressed both at the same time, 2 different transfers.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, since it fits on my 15 by 15, might as well knock it out in one hit. So we are a cold peel. So we have our handy dandy fan here, and this will also be linked in our description with our Flash UV, which is for hard surfaces, and our DTF is for apparel. So if you need to put any glitter or sequence on hard surfaces, we also have that available. It will be the same requirements as DTF as far as your gang sheet, your resolution, the same way you would create a gang sheet for DTF, the same way you would create it for UVDTF and get the same effects. So there's no, what's the word?
Limitations.
Limitations. I was gonna say restrictions, no limitations. All right, like I said, cool to the touch. You wanna get here and get that peel? Oh, don't get mine out.
Chili. Oh, wow. Oh, look at that.
Okay, let's get peel number 2. Ooh, comes off like butter.
Like butter.
Ooh. So for my last peel and my second peel, I'm gonna use the T-Seal.
Oh, snap.
Which kind of presses it into the fabric. We have a link in the description down low. This is a finishing sheet for DTF. Please do your research. T-Seal. It only lasts about how many presses?
It says 300 to 500, but we've been
300 to 500.
We've been doing pretty good.
This ink will not get on your clothing. This is just from other garments. So we're gonna put that over and we're gonna seal it in. It presses it into the fabric. So seals it in.
How many are you gonna do? 15 or the whole 20 or?
I just let it go, whatever's
just
on
let
here.
it go. Yeah. It's really up to your discretion.
And every heat press is different, so be sure to do a lot of trial and error to see what works for you in your heat press.
Oh.
All right, let's bring her out.
That looks so good on camera.
Does it?
Wow.
You gonna go in the light?
Yeah, you're in the light. You're in the light.
Oh, okay. All right, here we go. So we have our sequence here.
Nobody would know.
And our glitter here.
Right. And then look at the gold right there, and then look at this.
Yeah, this is a different type of gold, but
still,
you get the vibes.
Watch the camera, guys, right? You guys see that gold right there? Now watch right here.
All right, guys, real quick, I know we kind of took a quick look at the glitter vinyl, but I wanted to just kind of talk on this subject real quick. Vinyl, glitter vinyl, everything that has to do with vinyl. I made this shirt maybe 2 years ago. Yeah, you can see it was a 2X. I am now medium to a small. So, oh wow, that's funny.
Wow.
Okay. So I made this shirt for my son's birthday. Donovan plays. It was, I think, his birthday theme or whatever. I made about 10 shirts. If I had DTF back then, it must have been more than 2 years. Okay, so it must have been more than 2 years, maybe 3 years. If I would have had DTF Flash Custom transfers back then, imagine. First of all, let's look at this vinyl. What is the first thing you see when you look at this?
Wrinkles.
I see weeding.
Oh, yeah,
weeding. Look at all. And I had to do 20 shirts. It might have been 10.
You said 10.
Yeah, 10. I think it might have been 10. I don't know. I had to do so many shirts and weed all of this. No more weeding with Flash Custom transfers. No more cracking. Let's take a look at this closely. Look at that. You see how that cracks?
Oh, yeah, I see it.
It will peel. This one is fading here. This is a foil vinyl. The glitter comes off. I remember glitter all over us, all over our clothes, all over our kids. But you know, that's all we had at that time. With Flash Custom transfers, you don't have to worry about cracking, weeding, fading, glitter everywhere. It's a whole different experience, and you're able to execute any type of sequence or any type of glitter you want. You don't have to worry about, do they have the vinyl that I need? Do they have the color do I need? Do they have the glitter to match? You literally can create any color that you want with Flash Custom Transfers, and the durability is there, long lasting, high quality, and affordable.
And no cutting too, because you had to cut.
Oh my God. Oh yeah, with the vinyl cutter, with the Cricut.
Yeah.
So yes, you had to create the design, cut the design, and then weed the design.
Yes.
And it was a headache.
And press.
And
twice,
press the design.
2 different presses. This is not just one press. I know, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You're right. You're right. That's
Yes.
why I have carpal tunnel.
Yes, exactly.
Now,
Yeah, so no more of that. I just
and
really
then
wanted to
with
showcase
Flash
that.
Custom Transfers, all you're doing is cutting and pressing. As you just saw, easy as pie, cutting and pressing with the same results. I feel like they're the same results. Look at that. If not even better.
Yeah, the durability, the long lastingness, that's what really matters. Again, this one, these are like almost, what are the dark transfer papers where it looks good for a day, or vinyl looks good for a day, but we're talking over time, not throwaway shirts. We're talking something that you can wear consistently, just like your Selena shirt.
Yes, Selena. Real quick, as far as pricing, I'm thinking about it now. Maybe a 12-inch glitter piece of vinyl would have been like $2.99.
Yeah.
Buying a 100-pack of glitter images is $2.99. So the price point there is unmatched.
Yes, yep, and you're buying the vinyl here, but also I don't know, this is $2.99 per sheet, and then you're also having to cut it and stuff like that, then weed it. So if you look at the amount of time, if you add in the amount of money that it costs like per hour, you're spending way more on the vinyl than you are on the F. But right now, real quick, you know how many glitter images that you can get on a 22 by 10 foot sheet for only $80.
A trillion.
A trillion.
Yes, we do have our 22 by 120 sheets right now for $80, the biggest sheet on the market. Oh, and we also have UVDTF, and you're able to use this for UVDTF, not just for fabric. So if you want to put this big old sequence 24 on your car to represent your kiddo, you can. And people will be like, how did you get glitter on your car? How did you get sequence on your...
Oh, that video's coming next. Oh, we about to do it. Oh, we about to do it.
So now you can tell them Flash Custom Transfers. That's how. Yeah, and glitter is not available in DTF. So a lot of people, someone actually commented or sent me an email that they're still doing a layering for glitter with vinyl.
What?
So they said, would this help? And I said, of course, we can vector your image and create the glitter effect. And she's still like, well, do I have to layer? Like, they're not understanding the concept because it's so new. Nobody has glitter DTF. So the effect is like, you know, why weren't we doing this a long time ago?
I know. The animal print too is also available on the website.
Yes, that is all going to be a whole separate thing. I'm doing glitter sequence now, and then I'll hop into the animal effect next.
Oh, okay, the animal print. Okay, and the color animal prints are coming soon. I know people keep asking, oh, why is it just black and white? They're coming soon.
Yes, you got to do the cheetah leopard print. People are cray over that. All right,
looks amazing.
This is our beautiful sequence and glitter downloadable packs. Each pack comes with 100 different colors of every color that you can think of. The glitter comes with this rainbow as well. Again, those are $2.99 on the website. If you have any questions, you can email us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com. You can visit us online at flashcustomtransfers.com. And if you need any vectoring, background removal, logo creation, embroidery effect, glitter sequence effect, you can always email us at flashgraphics@flashcustomtransfers.com. Again, we will see you at Flash Custom Transfers YouTube. Bye.